What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're going to do a quick TA on Avalanche. So, Avalanche 2186 is what the target I had marked out, and it looks like it tagged it at 2180. So, pretty close. I was about 6 cents shy. I'm not perfect. I don't got a crystal ball. I wish I did. In any case, what I'm looking at right now, so AVAX had that blow off top right now. Um, I see a potential downtrend. I'm not too sure how strong this push up is going to be. On the 1 hour, I definitely see a. You could look at it either way. I'm only looking at this segment right here. So the local bottom, I would say is probably about here, around 16. Let's just call it 1650. We've increased a matter of how much percentage going up from this local bottom? 30%. Wow, my goodness. What a tear. Good job, Avalanche. Good job. You did it. In any case, oh, did I delete a fib? Yes, I did. By accident, not a fib, a support. In any case, 30% increase. My goodness, that is nuts. Um, at least in the short term, right? So let's go ahead and look at the 2 hour. So the 1 hour, 2 hour, you could look at it as potentially going up even more. Like there could be another push up. Um, hmm, I guess even on the 4 hour, it looks like it could. I see more of a. I'm interpreting more of a downtrend on the 4 hour. Definitely on the 1 day. There's a larger downtrend at play. Um, so I guess in the short term, there is possibility for it to bounce. Um, if you are looking for RSI to become neutral and you're looking for a potential entry, maybe look at somewhere between $20.26 to $19.13. I know that's kind of a large target, but maybe utilize one of these areas right here. I would call 1977. I think 1977 will probably take RSI to neutral. Now, do I believe that it could go up from there? Possibly. Possibly. So those targets, if you're bullish on the short term, and if you're expecting a blow off top just like this again, your next stops are 2186, so pay attention to that. 2299, 2457. Those are going to be the short term targets I'm going to be calling. I have this this Fibonacci chart. Feel free to use it if need be. Go ahead and pause the video. They're all right there if you're bullish. If you are bearish, the targets that I'm looking at, I called out like it was like 1970. That's a potential target. Um, so if 2026 falls off the table, short term, 1970, I think 77 is what I call. I'll skip the 1913 target because I think we could potentially go lower. I think 1770 is on the table on the 1 hour. Oh, we could even go lower on the 2 hour. On the 2 hour, if you're looking at our side to be completely oversold, I'm just trying to gauge like the distance, right, to see how far this would pan down because there's so many supports in AVAX. Like they're so small. Everything it's almost like there's a support almost at every dollar, and then some dollar like some even have two. So it's like for example the 16s and the 15s have like two supports within that region. So if I was to gauge this, I think RSI neutral is 1770, and then I'll try to measure this move. This is a rough measurement, right? This is just some potential targets from where we're at. So 14% move. So let's just move this down from here. Because I can't accurately like pinpoint by looking at because there's so many supports. Okay, so 1533 is what I see. On the 4 hour, it's even lower, and on the day, it's even lower. So for all the bears, I hate to do this. Um, Some big potential targets that I see in the short term. I'm sorry, short term targets I see is $20.26, 1913, 1830, 1770. Those are short term bearish targets. However, um, if RSI is to be oversold in the 4 hour, I definitely see 1533 on the table. On the day, I actually see all of this on the table. So be on the lookout for that. Pay attention to the total crypto market cap. Pay attention to the DXY. It is currently below 102. Total crypto market cap is holding above, or I'd say at 1 trillion. But the potential for downside, please pay attention to this 1 day chart. The potential downside here, I'm personally seeing, I don't want to say all the way down to $10, but I mean, it's definitely possible because this move was not that strong. Imagine $10 was our low, and then we only what? I mean, we increased a good, we got almost like 2x. But okay, yeah, we'll have to wait and see. I don't want to call that quite yet, but these are potential targets. I mean, based off the information right now, 1533 is kind of the target that I'm paying attention to, and then we'll take it. We'll just kind of take it day by day, right? So in any case, be sure to trade safe, trade smart, everybody. Peace.